Hey Handy Helpers, I'm Andy,
And I'm Lily.
and welcome to Andy's Workshop, where we fix it
Build it
and learn it together. Today, we won't be fixing any toys, but do you know what we're going to be doing instead? Pop all these balloons!
Wow, Handy Helpers, can you help us count how many balloons we're going to pop? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great job! And guess what? Each of these balloons have a special shape inside that we'll find out what it is when we pop it.
Awesome! And you know the coolest part of all? We get to use my favorite tool ever, my trusty hammer. Yep, we're going to give each balloon tap, tap, tap to pop them. Handy Helpers, are you ready to pop these balloons and find what shapes are inside? Let's gear up and fix it up! Ready! Handy Helpers, let's start with the red balloon. Hammers ready? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, tap!
Wow, that was a great pop, Andy!
Look, and here's the surprise shape that was hidden inside the balloon. A triangle. How many sides does a triangle have? Let's count. 1, 2, 3. A triangle has 3 sides. Awesome!
Hey Andy, can you name some things that are shaped like triangles?
Let's see. Well, a slice of pizza is shaped like a triangle. Yummy too. A tent is shaped like a triangle. I use a tent to go camping in the woods. And, a sailboat sail is shaped like a triangle. And the last one I can think of is another yummy snack. A slice of watermelon is shaped like a triangle.
Wow, so you have a slice of pizza, a tent, a sail on a sailboat, and a slice of watermelon. Those are great examples of triangle-shaped things. Andy, I think it's my turn to see what's inside the next balloon.
Ooh. All right, Handy Helpers, it's Lily's turn. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, tap! Wow, that was such a big pop, Lily. What shape did you find inside?
Oh, I got a circle. I love circles. Circles are so fun to draw. Can you draw a circle with me? Great job! You know, there are so many fun things that are shaped like circles. There are wheels, like the wheels on the bus that go round and round. And, a magnifying glass. So fun. Oh, and the moon when it's full at night in the sky. And what about a cookie? Such a yummy snack. And, a balloon. A balloon is shaped like a circle.
Nice. So we have a wheel, our magnifying glass, the moon, a cookie, and a balloon. Wow, let's go to the next balloon and see what shape is inside.
All right, Handy Helpers, here we go. 1, 2, 3, tap! Wow, that was such a great pop, Andy.
Yeah, I wonder what shape we found. It's a square. Let's count how many sides a square has. 1, 2, 3, 4. A square has 4 sides. Now, let's draw a square. Awesome! And there's so many fun shapes shaped like a square. For instance, a box. Box is shaped like a square. And, ooh, a yummy waffle for breakfast is also shaped like a square. And, hey, you have these in every home. A window. You can look through a window and it's shaped like a square. And, oh, an ice cube is shaped like a square. And what else? Oh, a sandwich is usually shaped like a square.
Great job, Andy. So we have a box, a waffle, a window, an ice cube, and a sandwich. That's quite a bunch of squares. All right, should we find out what's in the next balloon?
Let's do it. All right, I think it's your turn, Lily. 1, 2, 3, tap! Whoa, that was a ginormous pop, Lily. What shape did we find?
Oh, we found a star! Wow! A star has 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Can we draw a star? Good job! Now, let's see. What are some wonderful things that are shaped like stars? How about the stars in the sky? Or maybe a star that's on top of a Christmas tree?
That's a good one.
Or a starfish that's in the sea? Oh, my favorite one. What about the star that's on top of a magic wand?
Those are all amazing items that are shaped like a star. We have stars in the sky. We have a star on a Christmas tree. A starfish in the sea. And last, Lily's favorite, a magic wand. Wow, I love stars. Let's see what's in our last balloon. All right. Handy helpers, are we ready? 1, 2, 3, tap! Whoa! What did we get this time? Lily, it looks like your lucky hammer. You've been looking for this everywhere. I guess it was just hiding inside that balloon this whole time. Hey, it is silly. Do you know what sound the hammer makes? That's right. It goes tap, tap, tap. Nice job.
We learned about so many shapes today. A circle, a square, a triangle, and a star. And we can't forget my lucky hammer.
Thanks for all your help today, Handy Helpers. And remember, at Andy's workshop, we fix it,
Build it.
and learn it together. See you next time.